What's up, everybody? We got some parts here straight from China. Let's see what we got, because I really forget what we ordered. Probably should use a better knife for this, but at least if I cut myself, we'll know how I did it. So the Civic build, truck build is gathering parts. We're slowly starting. Make sure you check it out. And first thing on the list for Civic truck build. What do we got here? This would be something. And I don't even know what that is. Oh, God, throwing parts around. Okay, so first thing is first. We have ourselves our cheap knockoff. That's the brain. So the Civic, this is heavy. I wanted something different for a cluster. So we are getting, is that how small it is? It better not be. We are getting like a race pack dash. That is how small it is. That is tiny as fuck. No way. That sucks. Why so small? Okay, so that's going to tell us like 13 different things. It has exhaust gas temperature, boost, oil pressure, water pressure, oil temp, wide band. Comes with all the sensors as you see. So I had plans on making that its own cluster, but obviously that ain't going to happen. So that's going to have to be the standalone. And I'm going to have to buy a Civic cluster that has a nice little gauge. There's that one thing. So we'll put that off to the side. Let's see what this is. Oh, I know what this is. This is our blow-off valve. Even says made in the USA. But I will tell you right now, it was definitely shipped from China. So we have our knockoff blow-off valve. We got all the parts for it. We got an upgraded spring. I do plan on buying the proper guts if need be for that. I must have bought two of them. What is this one? Same box by the looks of it. Did I buy two of them? I really don't think I bought two of them. Maybe they had a special, buy one, get one free. So now there's two of them. Maybe I'll sell them. So there's that. What else do we have here? We have, what's in this package? I don't think there's anything in this. I hope not. I just might have ripped it. So one was supposed to be an HKS blow-off valve, and the other one was supposed to be my knockoff blow-off valve. So what they did was they sent me one of each, or one of the same. So where's my proper blow-off valve? Okay, other box. So I got instructions to a blow-off valve I don't have. Hopefully it's in this box then. Let's see here. And actually, I gotta say, the shipping was pretty quick on this, because I think I only ordered it like not even 8 days ago. So, a little better than Wish, and cheaper than Wish, and faster shipping than Wish. It's like a Wish all the way around. You know, I wish I don't cut myself. And, what is this? I already know what this is. I thought. So maybe this might be the blow-off valve I'm missing. No, I don't know. I'm gonna say that's a blow-off valve I was missing. You know, this is quality stuff. This is real. This is how it comes, doesn't it? That is the blow-off valve. So we have one HKS blow-off valve. I wonder how bad this really is for a knockoff. And then we got the adapter right there. So that's kind of cool. We'll set that off. And last and not for least, oh, we got some more goodies. So, battery tie down. Okay, so this bad boy has nice looking welds on it, at least. It's going to be I thought the one I bought had cables for it. Really? Oh, I was going to say, that better not be the finish. And for the Civic, it has one crazy catch can setup. And I'm pretty sure actually this is supposed to come with it. And this is supposed to go where the battery is on the Civic. So we're gonna end up moving the battery. And if I think that goes like that. And that goes where the battery goes. So that is our opening boxes of this stuff. Hopefully we'll move the other stuff. As you see, this is definitely a fail. It's not gonna go where I thought it was gonna go. That's kind of such a shitty fucking design. Anyways, guys, leave a comment. Let me know if you want. I will review this stuff, and I'll show you what it is. Maybe buy some OEM stuff, or I shouldn't say OEM, but some real stuff to see how well of a knockoff it really is. Thanks a lot, guys, and check out the channel for more updates.